In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use Affirm Buy Now, Pay Later. So let's get started. If you want to use Affirm Buy Now, Pay Later, the process starts at checkout on a participating retailer's website. Affirm is a buy now, pay later service, which means instead of paying the full amount upfront, you split your purchase into fixed monthly payments over a set period. So first, you want to show up online at a store that offers Affirm as a payment option. So for example, I have this store called famrocks.com, and this store supports Affirm as a payment option. So I'm going to go ahead and click one of their products. Let's go with this, one of their rugs. And if I wait for it to load up, give it a second there, you can see. So you can pay within 30 days interest free or as low as $14 a month with Affirm. So I'm going to go ahead and click learn more with this. And you can see that there's an option that tells me to pay. I can pay $41 within 30 days, and it's interest free. And I can also pay $41 within 3 months, which makes it $14 every month, but the interest fee would be $1, which makes it a total of $42 total of payments. And it also gives you instructions on how to use Affirm. So you want to load up or add the product to your cart, you're gonna log in or sign up for an account, and then you're gonna pick your plan and submit your order. So let's do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to cart. Okay, so in a second. Okay, it's added to the cart. I'm gonna go ahead and agree. Okay. Yeah, so now we're at the payment option, and now we're at the checkout. So here I wanna go ahead and select Affirm instead of paying with a credit or a debit card, and then I'll be redirected to a login or creating a Affirm account page. And during this step, you'll be entering your phone number and your basic personal details for your identity verification, so you have an Affirm account, and then Affirm, if you're a new user, Affirm will perform what's called a soft credit check, which is a review of your credit profile that does not affect your credit score. And based on that review, Affirm shows you available payment plans, be it such as 3, 6, or 12-month payments, along with the interest rate if applicable. And interest rate refers to the percentage charged for borrowing the money, though some offers are 0% interest, like I showed you before, but usually within 30 days, meaning no additional costs beyond the purchase price. So you're gonna go ahead and select Affirm as your payment option, and you'll be redirected to a page like this. It's already in the second part, but you'll be verifying, meaning logging in the first part. Then you'll be redirected to pick a plan. It could be, so this is an image where it shows a person buying something for $331, and they have 3 options to choose from, like 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and their respective interests are also displayed right there. So after choosing your payment plan, you confirm the loan agreement, and Affirm pays the retailer, which in this case, in my case, it would be the Fame Rugs. They're gonna pay the retailer upfront, and you then make payments directly to Affirm through automatic payments, which are scheduled deductions from your linked bank account or debit card, which is connected to your Affirm account. And anyways, always review the total cost and due dates before confirming to avoid missed payments. So yeah, that's how you use Affirm Buy Now, Pay Later. So anyways, I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.